In this video, I'll show you how to make copies using your Epson WF-2910 printer. So the first thing you need to do is take the thing that you like to copy and lift the scanning lid for the printer and then place the document face down. So make sure it's pushed towards this arrow. Then close the lid. After that, come to the printer's screen and you can see that you have 12 settings that you can choose from. Luckily, copy is the first setting, so press OK on it. Then you can choose either color or black and white, and then press OK. Then it will ask you to choose the amount of copies that you want, so you can push the arrow up or down depending on how many you want. Once you've done that, press OK. And then to start the copy, you're going to press this button here, the exclamation mark. And you'll get the confirmation on the printer that it is copying. So make sure you have the printer tray pulled out so the paper can fall on it. And here we are. You can see the printer is copying the document. So here is our copy, and I'll just get the original to compare them. And here we are. So if you find this video useful, please like and subscribe.